Today we look at a pocket pour over and see how compact and how lightweight we can get a pour over cup of coffee when we're out in the outdoors. Well folks, this is just gonna be a quick fun video, just more informative, because I bought this pocket pour over from Kuju Coffee on a whim. I actually had to get to the $50 free shipping over at Backcountry. I was buying a pack off of backcountry.com and I needed to get like a couple more dollars to get that free shipping. So I was surfing around seeing what they had, and they had this pouch for about $7. It comes with 5 different little, basically think of tea bag with coffee grounds in it that you tear the top, and they have little paper arms that stretch over to the sides of your cup, and you pour your water over it and you have a compact pour over cup of coffee. And so, you know, I said, hey, I've kind of seen these concepts before, let me pick it up, let's see how they do. And for what it has to offer, it's a very simple, very ingenious little design, weighed obviously next to nothing. You can throw a couple in a day bag when you're going to the office, or, you know, hiking, camping, backpacking, whatever you want to do. And if you like that pour over idea, and they have a couple different blends out there. This is their dark roast, and we just had a good time using them. I'm using them a couple times on the trail now, and it's I would say kind of a different style on how to have coffee when you're out there in the woods. And as we're doing this, my buddy Ruvam and I actually poured this over a couple weeks ago, kind of talked about its flavor, what we liked about it, what we didn't. So I'll go ahead and share some of that with you. So, made our little cup of coffee, tasting it. What would you say is like the blend? It says dark on the bag, but would you say it's like really dark?
I don't feel like it's too dark. I feel like it's more like a medium dark.
Yeah. And I mean, granted, we like it super dark. Both of us really like it super dark, Ruvam and I. And so the real question is, would you, Ruvam, buy a 5-pack for $8 to use out on the trail, or for convenience sake at the office or whatever? Would you personally do it?
Totally. Yeah. I mean, we made this, it was super simple. Usually when you think about being somewhere out in a secluded area like this, you would think that it takes a while, you have all this gear. It was so simple. Like, I would turn around, I'm already looking at it, we got a nice fresh cup of coffee. And with a view like this, it's sweet. Right. It was super simple. Like, before you know it, you got some warm coffee. And so 100%, I would.
Nice. Yeah, and I mean, the way I view it is like, it's basically like a gas station cup of coffee cost. Like, that's how much it's gonna cost you. But you're able to take it with you anywhere and have it with you with little to no mess and clean up, and just the convenience of it. If you don't want to do the like whole pour over and hand crank and all that, this is a great alternative, I think, to those type of situations. So there you have it. I mean, it's a pretty straightforward little video here, but the main things to know is like this pouch that I bought at Backcountry 5 for about $7, so you can do the math on that. In its cost, you can go get them on Amazon as well in bigger quantities if you really like the idea and you've tried them out as well. So we'll have links in the description below for all that. That helps us continue to make content, buy gear just like this to give you guys videos. But as we were creating these, the only thing I would kind of let you be aware of is that it helps to just kind of use your fingers and make sure that the wings are really seated well on the lip of the cup. And if it's a really wide cup, it may not stretch very well. I actually had one accident where they kind of tipped and I knocked some grounds into my coffee. So just make sure it's kind of a narrower cup. General 12-ounce cup will be fine. But it helps when you're pouring, because of the pressure, just to hold those wings in place and pour, just so you don't actually accidentally have a spill and then ruin your cup of coffee. But other than that, it's a cool little ingenious system that I like. And it's not necessarily the darkest roast that I prefer with the flavor, but I like it because it's smoother, and I prefer it over like the instant Starbucks cups of coffee that are out there. I just like this better, and it's about the same cost. So it's a different way to enjoy a cup of coffee almost anywhere, anytime. So I hope this quick video has just been entertaining, informative, let you know about a simple little product. Encourage you to test it out if you're a coffee lover, see if it's something that you enjoy, or if there are other ways that you just enjoy your coffee better. Just want to give you guys quick information on what one particular system can offer to you. So with that, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, all the social media, throwing up stuff there all the time. And subscribe if you're not a current subscriber. We are always producing videos like this, and we invite you to become part of the GT family. And finally, always remember, stay equipped, stay prepared, and we'll see you out there.